Kaway kayo guys. Yee! Parang pinareserve namin yung yung buong mall. Kami na lang tao dito. If you're watching this video and you like our videos, you find value in what we do, of course, you may be wondering, sino ba yung mga tao behind the camera? Sino ba yung mga tao behind the computer na nag-e-edit ng mga video? Sino yung nag-a-assist sa inyo kapag nag-enroll kayo sa mga courses? And makikita nyo yan dito sa mini vlog na to. It's because today, magbabanding yung team. And you will get to see ano bang meron, ano bang ginagawa ng MJ Lopez Media at MJ Lopez Tech and Business. Let's go. Kaway kayo guys. And guys, kakanood lang namin ng Deadpool. Kamusta guys?
Grabe po, grabe. May nananood. Grabe experience.
Para siyang 4D. Parang pinareserve namin yung yung buong mall. Kami na lang tao dito. Anyway, see you later guys. Ayan guys, it's 12:32 AM at andito kami ngayon sa Dennis Vista Mall. Ito yung malimit namin kainan. And ito yung mga self-love moments namin. No? Ang team, mahilig kami kumain. Pag talagang pagod kami, pag marami kaming accomplishments, normally kakain lang talaga kami sa labas, magre-relax, pagkakape, magma-mastermind because we love growth. We all love personal development. And ang kasama ko ngayon ay media team. Most of the time, pag trip namin, magbibilyar kami or magbabasketball kami. We explore a lot of things and sometimes travel kami sa Batangas para mag-relax, at the same time para mag-jet ski. And we are planning a lot of travel experiences pa. And the thing is, we are building something big right now. Kumbaga, nagsisimula pa lang yung team. Nagsisimula pa lang akong turuan silang i-operate yung business. That is why I work harder than them sa ngayon. So, still, we are growing, we are moving forward, and we work really hard. Kumbaga, hindi lang laging sarap, hindi lang laging saya. Most of the time, we work. Kaya naman pag lumabas kami, talagang ina-enjoy namin at talagang hindi namin tinitipid, lalo na yung pagkain. So, in a few minutes, kakain na kami. And maybe later, di ko alam kung kasama ko sila sa gym, but I will do my workout pa, and then I will prepare for the meeting tomorrow. But for now, we will enjoy the rest of the evening. We will talk, we will brainstorm, and let's see what will happen next. Oh, by the way, since growing po ang social media channels natin and I'm building another business, we are hiring one new editor na marunong din mag-shoot. Okay? Kailangan po sobrang ganda ng attitude nyo, pleasing personality, masipag, as in sobrang sipag, stay in full-time, right? Hindi ka magjo-join sa MJ Lopez Media para lang sa portfolio, right? You have to be willing to do it long-term, right? So, yun lang guys, isang editor, tapos isang animator. Kontakin nyo lang kami guys because this is something big guys. This is something big. At least nakikita nyo sa vlog na to ano talagang ginagawa namin at gaano kasaya maging part ng MJ Lopez Media. And mind you, I treat my employees as if they are part of my business. Parang business partner sila. We operate that way. Kasi kasama sila sa pagyaman. Yun lang, kain muna tayo guys. So after ng bonding natin with the media team, kasama naman natin ngayon ang media team at ang life and business team, basically the MJ Lopez support team, to talk about the future, to talk about how to assist the guest, how to assist the customers better, and overall improvement ng mga negosyo natin. Let's go, guys. So, this happens almost every week, guys. We have alignment meetings, processes, improvement ng systems natin. Especially, nagsisimula pa lang tayo sa MJ Lopez Life and Business. So, makikita nyo, guys, I prepare handouts for them. It's as if nag-aaral talaga sila ng course. Dinidiscuss ko sa kanila yung mga aspects ng business, what to improve, how to improve, inaaral namin lahat. So, basically, it's as if they are part of the business. In terms of earnings, ganun din, no? Yung team ko para silang part ng negosyo. Kasi para sa akin, vital aspect sila ng business and I wanna take care of my people. So sa ngayon, more on meetings muna tayo and let's see what will happen later. So yan guys, so from time to time, meron din kaming kainan. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung paborito naming banding kumain. At syempre, meron tayong konting pasalubong galing LA. So remember, I went to New York, to Florida, to LA, and syempre, hindi ko nakakalimutan na magbigay ng pasalubong sa team. You guys have to understand na, of course, almost every week, nagmi-meeting kami, alignment meeting. Pero grabe talaga yung work ethic, grabe yung trabaho namin. Wala nang oras-oras, minsan 12 hours a day, minsan 16 hours a day because we get things done. And they are not just employees, they are part of the business. I treat them as if they are business partners because these are the pioneers of MJ Lopez Media and MJ Lopez Life and Business. And since our business is growing really fast, we are hiring new people. Pinakita namin sa inyo ano yung ginagawa namin para may idea kayo, gaano katindi yung trabaho, pero gaano rin kasaya. At ang pinakamaganda dito, yung growth mo as a person because I will be the one mentoring you and building the business with you. So, we are looking for one more editor and one more animator, yeah? So, nag-e-edit, nag-shoot, tapos nag-animate. And then, 3 tao sa sales. I need 1 person na sobrang galing sa sales and marketing, na talagang may experience na. And 2 pang extra nasa sales. Maghintay lang kayo na announcements, guys, and we will be posting and how you can be part of the team, or you can simply chat us so our team can actually assist you in terms of your application. Right? So yun lang guys, we will just enjoy the rest of the evening and see you soon. Bye.